Good afternoon and welcome to your Tuesday Math Buffet Math Review. We are going to start out by going over the prime numbers. The prime numbers that you should have identified from this list are 2, 57, and 31. So those are the three numbers that you should have circled because they are prime. And then since we're underlining our composite numbers, we're going to underline 21 and 44 because they have more than just one in themselves as factors. The next step is your multiplication. For 94 times 31, the answer is 2,914. If you have that correct, you can move on to check your division problem. And our multiplication problem, or our answer to our division problem, is 437. So if you have both of those correct, you're going to move on to the main menu. Otherwise, you're going to go through this process to check and see where you made your mistake. So the first step in our multiplication is to do 4 times 1. 4 times 1 is 4. And then we're going to do 1 times 9. 1 times 9 is 9. I am done with the 1. I'm going to go ahead and put an X over it. And I need to put my 0 below my 4. And I'm ready to multiply 3 times 4. It's 12. My 2 comes down and my 1 gets regrouped. So I'm going to do 9 times 3 is 27 plus 1 more is 28. And then I'm ready to add. So 2,914. Okay, our division problem, I'm going to go ahead and make my attic and my chimney. First thing I need to do is identify, will 7 go into 3? Well, it will not, so I know that I have to divide 7 into 30. I know that 7 will go into 30 4 times. 7 times 4 is 28. I'm going to subtract. 30 minus 28 is 2. Bring down my 5. 7 goes into 25 3 times. 3 times 7 is 21. 25 minus 21 is 4. I'm going to bring down my 9. And then 7 goes into 49 7 times. Finish this out, and I have nothing left, so I have no remainder. And I have nothing else to bring down, so my answer is 437. Okay? For the main course portion of your Math Buffet today, you are going to be taking a look at this graph. Okay? The first thing that you need to identify on the graph is the title. And you also need to take a look at the key so that you know when you're looking at the pictures, you understand how many or how much they represent. Then you're going to use this graph to complete questions 1 through 9. Once you have finished that, there is a game on Google Classroom for you to play.